Hello friends, I'll show you how to edit the pictures and remove the background in very complex photo also. So this is a Photoshop. So now I'll select one image. So for example, if you want to remove this, first you need to remove some backgrounds. So like I'll just crop the image here, and I just want these plants and I don't want other stuff. So in that case, first I crop this one, then I'm going to select, and in this select option we need to select and mask. So now we got the mask. So this option, this shows object selection 2, so it will automatically recognize the images. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 and A15. So I want the scale also, so I'm selecting this label. I need labels. So these are all the images. So next I'm going to see the in on the black, just here in this property section, view as a black and white. So you can just see how does this look. If you want to remove some part of this one, you can select this one, this here brush. So if you want to remove, you just put it for minus, and you can select the size of this dot. So if you click, is going to mask from our image. So that means I am excluding this part. So in this case here we don't have our scale, so I'll just try to add some stuff. So if it's not necessary for you, you can just see on the screen in the selection tool, you can select this. In this case you have options also like selection tools, so you can select the polygonal section type. So now we will see how does this look. So we have selected scale also here. So now coming on to, you can see on white. So in this case just press OK, and you have the roots, everything. If you want to just remove background, you just go for solid colors. I want just white color background, so I'm going to select this one. Most important thing, just drag this one here down, so you have the image. So now you can just export this one as a quick export as a PNG. So I'm exporting this one, this A10 to A11 to A15. That's it. We have changed this one. We have arranged this one. So if you want to see the image, you can see here. See, that's it. Thank you.